So this is the 2014 Junior Cert Higher Level Paper 1. We're looking at question number 5. Solve the following inequality and show the solution on the number line. Minus 17 is less than or equal to 1 minus 3x, which is less than 13. And x is an element of the set of integers, the z set. Okay, so if we're solving inequalities, a compound inequality like this, where you have two inequality signs, we just have to follow the rule that whatever we do to the middle, which is we want x in the middle. At the end, what we want is x in the middle, with a sign either side and a number either side. So we're trying to manipulate the middle to become x. So whatever we do to the middle, we must do to the left and the right. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 1 to get rid of this 1 here from both sides. So I get minus 17 minus 1, which is less than or equal to minus 3x, which is less than 13 minus 1. So that's 1 subtracted from everywhere. So that gives me minus 18, which is less than or equal to minus 3x, which is less than 12. Okay, so now in the middle I have minus 3x, when all I want is x. So I'm going to divide everywhere by minus 3. If I divide the middle by minus 3, I must divide everywhere else by minus 3. However, you need to remember that when you divide an inequality by a negative number, the signs flip direction. So minus 18 over minus 3 is 6. And that flips this sign the other direction. So 6 is greater than or equal to. These minus 3's cancel, leaving me with x in the middle. And this sign flips also the other direction, and 12 divided by minus 3 is minus 4. So 6 is greater than or equal to x, which is greater than minus 4. So if I just write that backwards so I can match it to the number line here where I'm going to show it, we put minus 4 here. So if x is greater than minus 4 is less than x, which is less than or equal to 6. So the important thing now when we're plotting this, showing the solution on the number line, is that we look at this here. So it tells us x is an element of the set of integers. So these are whole numbers, positive or negative. So it's not everything between minus 4 and 6, it's just the it's just the integers. So minus 4 is not counted because minus 4 is less than x, so x is greater than minus 4. So the first value is minus 3, and then all the values, all the whole number values from minus 3 all the way up to and including the number 6, because it says that x is less than or equal to 6. So we include 4, 5, and 6. So 6 is included because of this less than or equal to sign, but minus 4 is not included because of the less than sign. And that's the end of question 5.